smoke a cigarette?
Nah, I'll say that. You want to smoke? You want to smoke?
Oh, yeah.
Why you take it? I'm on live, guys, so don't say nothing we don't need to say.
You're looking at my balls.
Yeah, don't say balls or these nuts. Don't say those words. Golly, have mercy.
What about my balls, Ricky?
It don't make no sense.
You get to it right now? Aw, that's sweet.
Thank you, guys. So I was gonna ask y'all guys, because it's been a few days that I have not been able to post on Instagram. You guys have been such a large part of my career, not only my career, but my life, right? You guys have known so much about everything that I've experienced, and through the journey of me trying to be there and try to get my mom right, so I feel like, not that I'm obligated, because I don't have to express my real feelings or whatever it is at this moment, but I do kind of feel like maybe I should come here and say some things to you guys about how I feel about this moment, because it is really painful, it's really hurtful, but I don't know. I'm just thankful for you guys. I'm happy that you guys cared. So yeah, that's it. I think more so than anything. But so, what are you guys doing? Because, if y'all don't mind, I can't talk to each and every individually. I can't talk to each and every one of you guys. And I would love to. I wish there was a way to do that where I could see all of you guys individually, but I can't. I do hear you guys, and I see your messages, and I see the love that you guys are sending me. And today is the day that I was finally able to say anything, right? Because finally I feel just a tad bit better, First day, second day, I was real confused about it. So, I get off of the live. What's today? Thursday, right?
Wait.
If you guys don't mind, one thing I would like to do, I don't know if y'all can pour up right now. I don't know if y'all can pour up. I don't know if y'all got anything to pour up. But I would like to pour a shot. And yeah, I think that's it. I like to pour a shot, and I'm so lost for words, guys. I am. But I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all can hear me too, because I know that my phone be so hard to hear when you don't have.
When you're on the metro.
I'm not on the metro, bitch. When you're on the Obama phone, that's what mom used to say all the time. Oh, you got that Obama phone. Girl, no, I don't. Girl, you got me twisted. Girl, I ain't got no goddamn Obama phone. So I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds to pour. If y'all got wine, a glass of wine is cool. A shot for those who are like me, because that's what I'm pouring up. And just to reflect. Just to reflect, I think. Y'all ready? Because right now is not the time to be cute. Because, bitch, I don't give a fuck about how I look right now. Huh? Yeah, we're not going to do that. Yeah, okay, hold on. Guys, I got Unique, Karen, and Quita. Mina's not here. I would have loved for Mina to be here, but she's not here. She's not here. So.
Give him a little bit of that little.
It's okay.
That little chicken wing over there.
Hey, baby. Hey, boo. Alright.
What's up?
Do y'all have y'all shots or y'all cups of wine or glasses of wine? I'm sorry. Cups, not this ratchet.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Old school red cup and now it's green.
But this shot, okay, so I'm acting like this was 2 days ago, because really, honestly, 2 days ago we were saying, you know, Frankie's birthday, she passed away on her birthday. So we're going to continue that right now, because you guys are just talking to me, seeing me for the first time since she passed. So, happy birthday, Ma. And
we love you.
we love you
and appreciate
you.
your
Miss you, and you taught us so much.
Yes.
So much.
So many lessons that we've learned from you and your love that runs really deep
And
for everybody.
For her crazy ass.
Okay. Frank the motherfucking back.
Crazy
Now.
ass.
And these meds.
No. Hold on. Y'all got me twisted.
How
did you get here?
I caught about the bus.
Hold on, y'all gotta chill. That's not cool. Wait, that's not cool. Yeah,
That was crazy shit, though.
Okay.
She wrote that shit.
Or no,
though.
I should have cheated. No, I should have cheated. What did she say?
She probably did.
No. You know
What
what
she
she
say?
said.
No. She did not cheat on everyone.
No, that was the past, though. Okay, so to Frankie.
Not everybody.
Frankie,
We love you.
we love
your
you.
lessons.
Your
Your
lessons.
love. And your vision, though. She was very intuitive.
And
She
just
was.
keeping it real,
Yeah.
no filter. You know, you need
Yeah.
that in your life.
Yes.
Somebody who don't have a filter that's gonna keep it real with you.
Yep.
Ain't about to sugarcoat shit.
Come on.
Right.
Period.com. She gonna tell you how it is, no matter what.
Right.
Absolutely.
Shoes don't match, she gonna tell you.
Right.
Hair never match.
Meanwhile, you look funny than a motherfucker talk about everybody. Listen, stop, damn. Leave us alone. Leave me alone. Keyshia, you like your ears? No, I don't. I don't like my ears, and your ears look funny than motherfucker. Girl, get out of here. Don't make me self-conscious about my motherfucking ears. Today.
To Frankie, though.
To Frankie.
Put y'all cups up. We love you. We gonna keep it lit every year, all day, every day.
July 19th, Frankie Day. Yep.
Frankie Day. Frank the
Frank the
motherfucking
bank.
back. Now, who's
Woo.
your woman?
Child.
Holla!
Should have bought a Honda. Whew.
Thank you, cousin.
Strong,
Oh yeah, you know.
You are strong.
It's all good.
His it.
It's all good. In his. Hold on, guys. I just didn't want to not
Oh, you just not
say anything.
No, but I got my new favorite to say hi to her finally.
So that was it. I just didn't want to not say nothing, because y'all really, this is really hard for me to even come on here and do, you know what I'm saying? Because I think I look funny or whatever. And not only that, but I don't got no makeup on, got no lashes on, none of that. But like at the end of the day, though, I do feel like y'all been a part of this process for so long that it's just really unfair for me to not share how I feel in this moment. You know what I'm saying? Like, Y'all watched, y'all tuned in. Y'all was very present in every kind of like step of the way of me trying, right, to get her right. So I think that in this moment, it would be unfair to hold that back. You know what I'm saying? About what I'm feeling right now. And so that's it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. I do appreciate you. I appreciate you a lot. And that's it. That's it. That's it. Big facts. Okay. I'm not gonna drag this moment. So let me see. I'm gonna watch a couple of I don't wanna not talk to you guys. Hi brother, I love you too. Hey the days. Love you back. I will. But thank you. You guys are so sweet. Yeah, I had to think of you guys. I definitely had to think of all of you guys. It wasn't just me. My mother made a really big impact, and y'all kind of, to me, y'all kind of loved her more than me. I'm not jealous. I'm gonna keep that.
Shit, you don't knock it off.
They did. Like up, or they love Frank the Make more than me. They did. And that's okay. I'm not mad at that. I'm not. Because without her, there would have been no me. Big facts. Yeah. So, that part. So, you know, without her, there would have been no me. Without me, you know, I mean, I don't know, but I'm just thankful for everybody that cared, you know. Big facts. Big facts.
Can I give a shout out?
Of course, man.
I just want to give a shout out.
Hey, y'all. I just want to give a shout out to everybody that did the Frankie leg. Well, I gotta do the Frankie leg. Listen, this is the Frankie leg. I was so embarrassed by like when she released the Frankie leg, and I hate that about, you know, like, why was I so judgmental on her? Like, I shouldn't have been that way. Like, I feel like, because now that I look back on it, and I'm like, she did her motherfucking thing with the Frankie leg. Damn. Shit. Keyshia, calm down. Like, why are you so... I think I just wanted so much for my mother, and I just felt like I thought she could have just did so much. You know what I'm saying? And I was hoping that she would realize what could have been done. But so
I think you just wanted her to see her own beauty the way you saw it.
that's it. That's it. But the Frankie leg was lit. Now that
You feel me?
I want to do the Frankie leg. I'm going to do that shit. I'm going to learn that goddamn dance. I'm going to learn it. And me and my friends, my close friends, everybody that I love so much that I know loves me, we're going to do the fucking Frankie leg. You got me twisted. We're doing the Frankie leg. Period. Point blank. And so, thank you. I'm going to say that one more time. Thank you, guys. I really did think it was the best thing to come on here. Even, I don't even think it was the right time, the wrong time, because I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready to even be on this live right now. I'm not ready for that. But I'm here, and I'm present, and I'm showing up. And that's, I think, what for me matters right now, is to just be present, showing up, And again, thank you guys. I can't say it enough. I do appreciate you guys. Everything I got in me. You guys have been so freaking supportive and loving and kind. The people that have been, and not said bad things about my mother. The people that never did that, thank you for not doing that. And because we can say a lot of bad things about people, but I love you guys. I really do. I really do. You guys changed my life in a lot of ways. Thank you so much, okay? We love you, Frankie. She was the best. Never judge. We all go through something. God is our only judge.